Hello everyone, so today I am doing my Sephora haul, the Sephora VIB haul that happened last weekend. I know it's going on this weekend as well, if I have this video put up before the weekend ends, where we're getting 20% off if you're a Rouge, and I believe a VIB member as well, and then if you're just a Beauty Insider, you get 15% off. So I went a little crazy last weekend and got some things that I had been eyeing for quite a while, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. I can't wait to get on in and playing with them because they're super gorgeous. And I don't know why, you know, I'm wearing a sweater still in November in Arizona and I'm sweating like crazy. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be a good idea. My husband told me it was, you know, pretty nice outside, so I thought, oh, I can wear a sweater and have it be fall, and it's hot. I just want to wear sweaters and boots and leggings, and I'm just pretending like it's cold outside. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in the Sephora VIB sale, then just keep watching. My thing lately is eyeshadow palettes, so I have quite a bit of eyeshadow palettes in here. That's just like my thing. I love eyeshadow palettes, and I probably have way too many, but that's like the thing that I like purchasing, if that makes sense at all. So I had my eye on a few things, and I've kind of, you know, broken into some stuff. I'm actually wearing this on my eyes today. This is the Sephora Pro Pigment Palette. This is the Cool palette, and if you know me, if you've been watching my channel, you know I love my cool tone eyeshadows. So I really like this one. They have several different palettes, but I feel like the majority of them were very warm tone palettes, and I have so many warm tone palettes. I don't really have anything like this one in my collection. So here it is right here. I just think it's so pretty. You have your grays, your cool tone browns, your cool tone pinks. You have your nice bronzy shade in there, a pretty silver. It's just really nice, and you got like this huge mirror in here too. I just have heard so many people like these palettes, so I finally decided to just go for it and get it, and I'm so happy I did because I can honestly say I don't have a palette like this in my collection, so I'm really excited. Okay, the next thing I got that I've also broken into, I've already started using, this is the Marc Jacobs Highliner. This is just in the black shade, and everybody raves about these eyeliners. I had like a bronzy shimmery one at one point that came in one of the like Sephora favorites packages, and I really liked it, but I just wanted a black one. So I've been using this to tightline and on my waterline, and that's kind of what you see closest to my lashes today. I took this and kind of smudged it out on the top of my lashes, and I actually really enjoy this. So I'm definitely going to be using this up. I just think it's crazy that this is $25 for an eyeliner is a lot of money. So I don't know if I'll purchase them again unless they're on sale, just because I don't know, that's just a lot for me. All right, the next thing I grabbed, this is the Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. So when I first knew about the sale, that there was gonna be another sale, I really want the Natasha Denona Star Palette, like the big one, and $170 for a palette is just insane to me. And I couldn't justify spending all that money on one item. So I went ahead and I got the mini, and let me tell you, this thing's real mini. It's super small. The pan sizes are pretty tiny too. So, I mean, it's pretty cute, but it's so small. The one thing is I've never even tried a Natasha Denona eyeshadow, so I don't know if I would like the quality or not. Everybody really raves about them, but for me personally, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. So I thought that this would be a good option to kind of test it out. Do a mini one. It was $25, so I'm not spending a whole lot of money on something I may not like. So I want to go ahead and just do some swatches because I've never even like touched her shadows before. Wow, that matte was really soft. These are nice. I am impressed. Wow. Well, so far for swatches, these feel really nice. They look really pretty. So I'm actually really excited. Maybe for Christmas I can get the big one. Maybe. All right, the next thing I got, This is the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. Mine is in the shade Martini. I thought this shade was really pretty. I don't have a shade like this in my collection, and I've never tried this type of eyeshadow from Tarte before. I've heard lots of great things, but I personally have never tried it. So I got this shade because I thought it was just a really pretty, like, green brown kind of color. That's really cool. It's like a duochrome gold brown kind of shade, if that makes sense. But I think it's really pretty. It would be so pretty all over the lid. What I really wanted to try was those Hourglass ones that are like this, but they're all sold out. They've been sold out for a while, and I'm really hoping that they restock them because I really want to try one of those. I should have gotten one when I had the chance, but I didn't, and now I'm so bummed because I really want to try one. But this, I think, is super gorgeous. I actually really like this shade, so I'm excited. All right, the next thing I got is, this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. This is the Luminous Light. This is just one of their mini sizes because honestly, I highly doubt I'm ever going to go through this, and if I do, then I know that I really like it, and I'll get a big one at that point. But this is what it looks like. I got this because Jaclyn Hill talks about this a lot, and she uses it all over her face. It's just kind of like a natural glow from within, and I really like it when I see it on her, so I thought that I would give it a try. It's hard to see. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but I have put it on my face today. I put a little bit on my forehead and on my chin, and it does just make your face just a little bit more glowy, and I like that without it being like metallic, you know, highlight kind of glow. So I'm actually super into this, and I'm really excited to keep using it. I think that it's just a pretty, you know, add-on to any kind of look. So really excited for this one. The next thing I grabbed, let me just tell you how hard it was to grab this. So I had added everything to my cart the night before, and I contemplated waiting until like midnight to buy everything, but I was just like, oh, it'll be fine. You know, none of these things will sell out. Well, when I woke up the next morning, this was sold out. So I had to wait. I had to, you know, do the email to let me know when it was back in stock. And it ended up being like a day or two later that it came back in stock. So it was fine in the end. But I mean, these things sell out super fast. So this is the Pat McGrath lip pencil in Done Undone. The main reason why I got this was because Kathleen Lights talks about this. A lot of the things that I purchase are because other people love them and they look really pretty when they use them. So she raves about these lip pencils from Pat McGrath and says they're the best ones that she's ever had. So I thought, why not pick up one and see how I liked it? And this shade was just like super right up my alley. I did that at like the most retarded angle. I think that it's just a really nice, pretty brown color, and I'm really excited to play with it. And I'll honestly probably use this as like a lipstick, just kind of fill in my lips with it and then put a gloss on top. So I'm really excited for these. There are other colors that she says she really likes, but of course those are all sold out. So I would have to wait until those came back in stock to grab the other ones. The packaging is super cute too. Okay, I got another thing from Pat McGrath. This is Mothership Sublime palette. So it has pretty cool, cute packaging. It just, you know, has one of those things and then you open it up and there are your shades on the inside. This doesn't like go back very far, which is a little annoying. Pat McGrath is another brand that I've never tried their shadows before, but I saw this palette and I thought it was really pretty. Just very up my alley. Everything that I look for in a palette. I thought this blue-green shade was really pretty. And so I just want to do a couple swatches. Everybody says that they love Pat McGrath's shadows. Again, I've personally never tried them, so I couldn't tell you if they're good or not, but they're pretty pigmented. They look pretty. They're definitely not as pigmented as I'd say the Natasha Denona ones, but that shade right there is super pretty. I also love that green brown. The next thing I got, this is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is another lip liner. This is in the shade Pillowtalk. I had contemplated getting the actual lipstick in Pillowtalk, but got the lip liner. probably because it was just like a little bit cheaper. So here is the color of it. I know that the Pillowtalk lipstick is really popular and I wanted to try it out, so I just grabbed the lip liner version of it. It is really pretty. It's just a very nice like nude pink. Not like I don't have a billion colors probably like this, but in lip liners I probably don't, so there you go. Right, the next thing I grabbed, this is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I also wanted to try some of Huda Beauty's palettes because I've never tried her eyeshadows before. And so I thought this one was really pretty. I really love like my cool toned pink colors. And I thought that this one was really gorgeous. Plus it's so like travel friendly, so small and compact. So wow, these are really soft. So there are some swatches of that. I am really excited to get onto this. The mattes were really, really soft, so I'm excited to play around with this one. Okay, the next thing, this is a Marc Jacobs Enamored. Oh my gosh, I'm throwing it. Marc Jacobs Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. I haven't tried any of his lip glosses, but I've heard that the stick ones are really cool too. So I got mine in the shade Sugar Sugar. That one's really popular with the actual lip glosses. So I thought that I would try the stick version out. This is really pretty. I heard though that you can't like twist it back down. So you have to like be careful when you're twisting it. But that is really, really pretty. I like that. It's just a very just nice kind of champagne nude gloss, but I'm excited to use this. Okay, we're almost done here. One last eyeshadow palette. This is the Bobbi Brown Infra-Red eyeshadow palette. Another formula that I've never tried. I don't think I've ever even tried anything from Bobbi Brown, honestly. And when I saw this online, I thought this was so, so gorgeous. So I knew I had to get it. So this is what it looks like. As you can tell, I have a type of favorite kind of colors. And these are definitely some of them. I love this color right here. These shimmery shades are really soft. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Swatch these ones as I'm running out of space on my arm. Wow. Dang. Look at that. I'm excited. All these colors together, it looks so cool. Okay, and the very last thing I got, this is the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Sugar Glow Kit, and I've never had any of her glow kits before. Everybody says that they're amazing, so again, I had to grab one. This is the one that I just felt was more like, for me, that it was more my tones that would work for my skin color. Wow. So there they are on the back of my arm. These are really pretty. I'm excited. They definitely give like a shift that I didn't expect, if that makes sense. But I'm really excited to try these out. I heard a lot of people like that one, so I just went with it. Okay, that is it. That's everything that I purchased during the Sephora VIB sale. I know it's still going on and I have to keep holding back so that I don't purchase anything else because this was a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys got in the comments down below. If there's anything that you think that I'll really, really love, definitely let me know and maybe I'll get it, or maybe don't tell me what you like because then I'll probably buy it. And if you guys have anything that I picked up, what are your thoughts on it? Do you guys like it? Are they any of your favorites? Thank you guys again so much for watching. It means the world to me. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.